What is up, guys? We are up here at Cisco Grove. We're getting ready to go do some snow wheeling. This is my first snow trip of the year. Really looking forward to this. Oh. So I'm actually out here with my buddy Corbin. We're taking his four-door Wrangler. Colorado is pretty much a stock truck, so I figured it wouldn't do too good in the snow, so I figured I'll just wheel with these guys instead. So we got the four-door Wrangler, we've got the Grand Cherokee, and then we've also got Paul's Yellow Samurai out here. So pretty good mix of vehicles. Gonna be fun to see how they do in some fresh snow. Everyone's out here avoiding the highways and trying to get out of the snow, and we're going the other way. We're heading up the highway and we're trying to get to the snow. I don't think there's going to be anything too deep because it's just kind of snowing like right now. If we're out here for a few hours, maybe we will find some big patches of snow, but for the most part we're just trying to get out and have some fun. Really disappointed I didn't get to take the Samurai out here, but that's all right. Maybe Paul will let me drive his Samurai. No, I don't think so. Got a couple different air down methods.
So yeah, all the bits and pieces were pretty much like 70 bucks. So yeah, if you look like inside each wheel well, I've got a port matched up. Actually, let me check. Oh yeah, still like 20. So yeah, there's a port in each wheel well that hooks into each tire. And so once all four are hooked together, they all equalize. And then the manifold up here, they all link into here. And then I can air down with this valve. I can just shut it off and look and see what the pressure's at. And then at the end of the trail, I can just hook everything back up and close this off, and then pretty much start the compressor and air all four up at once. And the cool thing is, like, if one tire's too low, I can always hook all four up and then equalize them again.
And this is the Corbin DIY method. So I like your method, but do you regret smoking 4 packs of cigarettes in a day?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, his voice is out. He's screaming too much lately. Sounds like an old smoker. Okay, yeah, so Eagle Lake's gonna go downhill into the lake, and then this is Winter Pearson's. Well, that's what I was thinking of. This one's flatter. I mean, they're both short, so we can do them both. Getting a little chilly out here. Just had some lunch, made some burgers, some onions in the cast iron, delicious. And I'm gonna swap the GoPro up so we'll get some footage on the Samurai. You guys having fun? Hopefully we can get some more footage of this Jeep. This thing's pretty cool. It's got V8 and it sounds great. I kind of want to see this thing tear it up a little bit. All right, you guys ready to try Driveline Hill in the snow?
Yeah.
You gonna try this in the Jeep? Yeah. I recommend this big V right here. Just watch out in front of you. I think some of those are pretty deep. All right, hold up. Rear diff's probably pretty close to that rock under you. Or are you just, is this it?
There's a rock right there.
Or you could try to come around this way. All right, picture time then. I know, I was like, dude, you're getting pretty close to your rear drive line. Now he's got to climb. Yeah, hard passenger. Yep, you're good. There you go. Ah, so close. Is this your slider?
Yeah.
Okay, good idea. Well, it was a fun attempt. We'll see you in a couple days.
He's got himself in a
Yep, that's about it, dude.
bit of a pickle.
You got some big rocks behind you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, it just keeps sliding him in that same.
Yeah. Let me get behind you and make sure you're good. Hold on one second. Don't run me over. Yeah, keep going. Let's see what happens. All right, go slow. Go really, really slow. Slower. There you go. You got it. That's just your slider. You're good. Hard passenger. My freaking dead cat's a wet cat right now, man. Right, we just got done with the trails. We were out on the Pierce OHV loop and then we did Eagle Lakes. It was fun getting to the bottom of Driveline Hill. Of course, I knew one of these guys was gonna try it a little bit, and before we got ourselves in too bad of a spot, we decided to call it quits. Airing up now. We're just on Eagle Lakes Road, getting ready to head out. I think we're gonna grab ourselves a little beer, and while everyone's airing up here, it's really starting to come down, so it's probably a good idea to get out of here before the highways get too crazy with all the Priuses and Teslas wiping out. Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you want to see any walkarounds or want more info on these vehicles, let me know. Put it down in the comments. I'll see if I can get a hold of the owner, and we'll go over some of the details on them. Really like this Jeep right here. You don't see a lot of them out on the trail, and it did great. I love hearing that V8 go through the trail, so I'm looking forward to wheeling this guy some more. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.